What's going on, y'all? This is my boy Nick. We out here at a private spot and we're gonna do some fishing. So can you kind of explain in that back corner the story of the catfish that you missed?
Okay, so I have been fishing this spot since I was a little kid, and my dad and I came out here one time to try to fish. Man, I had this little Zebco. It had to be about this size right here.
Yeah.
And I just threw it. We were just sitting. My dad and I were actually sitting on that bank over there.
On the opposite side, yeah.
Because it was super hot at the time.
Right.
And all of a sudden, man, the line just runs. We're like, what the hell's going on? And then it stops. Totally stops. So my dad's like, well, just reel it in. They probably took your bait. So I started reeling this thing in. And I'm like, man, it's got a little bit of weight to it. And all of a sudden, the rod goes from being like, you know, a little bent to suddenly being like full-blown check mark. And I'm reeling. The fish comes up, jumps, and I mean, had to have been about this big, curved.
Yeah.
So it must have been a little bit longer.
Wow.
Snaps the line, never see it again.
What kind of catfish do you think it was?
I don't know, man. I don't know enough to say, but
hopefully,
it was huge.
Hopefully we could hook onto that mystery fish.
That's right, man. That's right. Sounds good.
Let's do it. We're gonna take some of these worms, catch some live bait. The Ultralight with the worm on it. Let's catch some bait. Just got a hit.
Did you?
Yeah, I think so. Just waiting to see. Yep, I got a hit. Yep, they're right here. Small bluegill. Oh my gosh, what's that? Bass. Nice.
Big bass.
Yeah, he's jumping. I got you.
I caught him right here in these
Dude,
weeds.
wow, you cast it in the weeds?
I knew he was going to be there.
Oh.
Look at that, dude.
Good catch, man.
Look at that. Thanks, brother. I appreciate that.
Yeah, that's awesome. Though the minnows are popping, dude. See you later, dude. Swam right off.
Fish, man.
Healthy.
They look stout. I don't know how to explain it.
For their size?
Yeah, like they're small, but they seem to have a lot of fight in them.
Yeah. Just give it a few years, man. Give it a few years and...
Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about.
No, I think you know what you're talking about.
I've been fishing this pond for a long time. And I don't ever remember them
being like that.
Not as colorful or as pretty.
It's healthy, I guess, since...
So there's 7 springs that feed this. Let's go to spring.
All the way around?
Yeah, let's go back.
Because the sun's going down, we need to get in that action. Yeah, it's another bass. Slide them up on the bank.
Got it.
That's my favorite part, where they jump up like that.
Baby.
Yeah, look at that color, man. And you hooked them right on the top.
That's a
See that?
beautiful fish, man.
Really is.
Beautiful fish, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Bam.
Right on the top. That's how you want to hook them, guys.
Right on the lip. Look at that fish, man.
Super healthy
That
fish.
other lake, man, don't ever look like that.
Never.
Even that first one we caught didn't look like that.
Oh, okay.
Dang,
okay,
bro.
buddy. He's out.
I bet you we'll catch him again.
Dude,
They're
you
aggressive.
hooked him so good.
They're aggressive.
It's fun to catch him on the ultralight, right?
It's a whole nother game.
It's a whole different
Like
game.
You pulled that catfish on that micro rod?
Yeah. You got hit? Another bass. Oh, wow. You slaying them today. Today's your day.
Coming to you. Well, he's small. He's small, but he looks good. He looks healthy.
Flip
Top
them
flip.
up. Flip them on the...
Flip.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, he's smaller. That's a baby fish right there, bro.
It's a baby.
That's a lot of bass, man.
There's a lot of bass in here.
Aggressive, too.
You straight slaying them, bro.
You see that steel rod right there?
Where?
Right there.
Yeah.
So, okay, the dock used to be down there halfway.
Really?
And then over here, he had, my great-grandfather had these depth markers.
Yeah, all around
That
here.
was one of his depth markers right there.
Okay.
But they were all around in different places. In fact, a bunch of them were no longer visible. Because
Gotcha.
of how much the water has risen.
Wow.
Which is interesting because it doesn't feel deep.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Love what it is, dude.
There's a nice panfish right there.
Go.
Oh, what was that?
Big pop.
I would cast right there.
There's more right here.
We'll let this guy go because he's a little bit bigger. See you later, dude. We want to keep the bigger fish in.
Like a bullet.
Did he? You got another hit? What you got there?
Oh, dude, the elusive tree fish, bro.
Nice.
Oh,
more like a baby tree fish. I'd be impressed if it was a log. On this test right here. Boom. Right? Here's a hit right there.
You got him, Jen. Let's go.
It's a bass. Or a pickerel or something. Probably a bass. It's a bass. Yeah, I was thinking you might have had pickerel in here. Oh, they're all stacked right there where you were casting it.
That's a beautiful color.
It is. Right on the side of the jaw.
Good hook, man.
Appreciate it. Bro, they're all right there, man. We might as well just catch them all. Unless it's the same fish that we keep catching. They can't be, right? So worms here it works really good. You got a hit?
No, I mean like the worm.
The worms are it. There's another run. Yeah, all the bass are right here, bro. Look. Hey, come over this way, bro. Let's catch it from here.
Right here on this rope. I'm about to get one right here.
Right here? You see him chasing it?
That's a bigger one.
Not bad, man. He's healthy. He's healthy. Right on the top of the jaw. Like the silver colors. We're slaying them today. On the Ultralight UglyStik. Let's go. Oh, that's a better one. They're all right here, bro. Just on a red worm and a hook. No weight. This one's fighting, but he's smaller than all the other ones, it seems. But look, he's fat for his size.
Ooh. You think it's a female? Yeah, I'll get ready to ask.
That might.
You think they're spawning right now?
No, they don't spawn there in this time.
Oh, sorry.
No. See you later, dude. Oh, got a bite. Run. Yeah, boy. They're all right here. That's a nice, what is that? Panfish.
Is it a bluegill?
That's a big bluegill, bro.
Ooh.
Bro, that's a big bluegill. Good catch, brother. All right, so when you're hooking these guys, get them from the top. A lot of people say don't do this because they stir your bait, but when you're doing a weightless, you let them swim with it.
It works, man.
And it works. Like a charm.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, that's a nice bass. That might be the biggest one you caught so far. Hold on. Don't flip him. Try not to flip him.
Nice catch. My bad, dude.
Oh, you're good. That's what I meant by
I was
flipping
trying
him.
to like
If you're gonna do it, like use the leverage of this
the
and
hook
slide them up.
came out.
But that's the biggest one you caught out of here. Pretty solid.
That's a good sized fish, man. Beautiful, man. Look at him, man. He looks like a predator. Grade A, man.
Straight predator. That one like fought. That one fought.
My bad.
Real good. No, you good. We still got him.